So guys, if you want to see how I made this lovely here, please join me as we do this, because I know it is good that breakfast is supposed to be a very interesting thing, not pancake and bread all the time. This waffle is one of those beautiful things you can take in the morning. So guys, let's do this together. Waffle time is breakfast time. Waffles. The kids like waffles. The family like waffles. Waffle time is here. So guys, today I'm making these simple waffles for breakfast. The kids always love it. So guys, I'm going to be making my waffles with my flour, melted butter, egg, baking powder, cinnamon, sugar, salt, and milk. These are what I'll be using to make the waffles. So this is melted butter. You can use vegetable oil if you want to. Then this is my milk. You can also use the powdered milk, or you can even use water if you want to use water. So guys, what I'll do is for me to take 2 cups of flour. I'll sieve it. You know, I always say sieve your flour because of weevils and any particles that might be in your flour. So we're using just 2 cups for this. This is first cup, then this is the second cup. Make sure you level it when you are measuring. This is the second cup, because I'm going to put all the dry ingredients first, and this is flour, the first of it. So guys, I'll now take 2 tablespoons of sugar, but if you like sweet tooth, you can add more. I'm just going to be using 2 because I'm going to be using condensed milk for the dressing. I know condensed milk is very, very sweet. Then I'll take half tablespoon of baking powder to add to this. Then a pinch of salt is here. Then for my flavor, I'll be using cinnamon. You can use vanilla or any type of flavor that you want. So I'll just keep this aside. Then for my wet ingredients, I'm going to be adding my egg. I'm using 2. Or cracking the 2, or whisk it very well. Now pour in the milk. I'll mix very well. Then I'll pour in the melted butter. This is just like pancake, or this is just pancake mixture, but just that you are going to be using the waffle maker for this. That is just the difference. So guys, I'll combine everything here now. Then I'll start adding the wet ingredients. So guys, combine the dry ingredients very well. Then make a hole or a well at the middle. Then start pouring in the wet ingredients. You have to pour gently so that you don't over put the water and become so watery. And you don't really have to mix this very well. Just easy. And the consistency of this is not for it to be runny, not too thick and not too runny. So this consistency is just too okay now. So I'll get my waffle maker ready. So guys, this is our mixture, and this is the waffle maker I'll be using. We have different types of waffle, different shape and different sizes. So I'll be using this one, and each waffle maker has an indicator. But when we are done, I'll show you that. But before you start, you have to rub some vegetable oil or butter or spray on the waffle maker, so when it is cooked, it will be easy for it to come out. Normally this takes like 4 to 5 minutes to get ready. So I'm done with this now. I'll take in my cup and then I'll scoop. Don't allow it to be too much so it doesn't spill. So now I'll cover it. You see I have two lights here. When this other green one is on, that means your waffle is ready. You turn it off and you bring it out. So guys, this is after 5 minutes and my green light is on. That means our waffle is ready. So I just open my waffle maker now. Voila! See what we have here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just take it out. See how nice it is looking. So guys, I'm going to dress this now the way I want to serve it as breakfast. So guys, let me dress it the way the kids are going to like it. You know, kids are sweet tooth. So I'm going to be using some sweet things for this. You can use anything you want to use to dress yours. This is how I do mine. So this is my condensed milk. I'll just add some like this. You can use your pancake syrup for this. And I'm going to be using some ice cream. Just put it like this. Then use my apple that I just cut so well to dress it. You can use raspberry, you can use strawberry, any fruit of your choice you can use. So guys, this is our breakfast for today. Our waffle and ice cream with our apple. So guys, if you have enjoyed this with me, please subscribe if you haven't, like the videos, share the videos, and give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.